go and open it. We have Vengeful by bday Schwab. I'm so excited to read this. Okay, we got all the stuff. The lovely view of Middle Missouri. For a walk and we went to get donuts, which were so good, and now it's about 10, which means I have a physics Zoom to hop on, and then after that we're going shopping and going to lunch, so very fun. The books that I got earlier. First, we have A Darker Shade of Magic by bday Schwab. I've read a couple other of her books and I really like them, like they were so good. And then I also got A Discovery of Witches by Deborah Harkness, which I've also heard a lot of good things about this book, so I'm very excited to read both of them. So I just got done doing some homework. By doing some homework, I mean I watched a single lecture video and I filled out the notes that go along with it. So I'm spent. That's enough of that. Now I'm just going to read some more of my book. I'm like a third of the way through it-ish, maybe a little bit more. My goal is to finish this like tomorrow or the next day maybe. So yeah, that's it. It's 10 right now. I should join my Zoom, but gotta update the vlog. It's about 10. I'm just about to join my physics class. We got Fritz here to help. But yeah, let's go. Friday, September 25th. It's currently like 8:40. I'm going to buy a car today, so that's fun. And yeah, I'm just super excited. So basically, I'm the worst at vlogging, and I kind of didn't vlog anything yesterday because I was a bit busy buying this whole ass car, so that's exciting. Today I'm at Savers because I want to thrift some books, and I find that Savers like has the best selection of books for some reason. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. You know when I said they had a good selection of books, I apparently lied. Now sad. I'm working on a physics lab about capacitors and capacitance. Ritz is here to help me, typing up a lab report, having a blast. So it's about 3:30 right now, I think, and I am on my way to go see the new BTS documentary in theaters. I'm so excited. for that, I don't apologize. Also, Wrist wants to say hey. Anyway, I just went to the thrift store and I found some. Do you have something to say? Anyway, the books I only got 2. The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. I've, obviously seen like the Disney movie, but never read the book. The cover is very pretty, like it's cloth bound. Also, the end papers look like sick, and it's illustrated. It's so cool. And we have The Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan, who doesn't know that. I read this book so long ago. I found this and it was only 99 cents, which is a steal. So for this afternoon, I don't have a lot going on, so I figured, what a better time to rearrange my furniture. Why not? Okay, it's time for the fun part where I try to not bust my ass by taking the top part of this shelf off of its base. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Welcome back to the minivan. It is currently my birthday, so happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello everybody, it is a little bit later, it's like 8:50, and like the grandmother I am, I'm tired. I'll probably go to sleep in a little bit, but first I'm gonna read some more Vengeful. This is the book I'm reading right now, and I'm on page 89. My original plan was to finish this by the end of the month, but I don't think that's gonna happen considering the end of the month is in 2 days. So today obviously was my birthday, so I'm gonna show you like just a couple of things that I got for my birthday. I got the illustrated version of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. This book is beautiful. I love it. The illustrations, like, this is my favorite page. It's like that. Just like the chapter headings are so cool. And then I also got this little Zero light up thing. It's from Nightmare Before Christmas, obviously. He's just so cute. I love him and I love Nightmare Before Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna read and go to sleep.